Hey guys, this tutorial will go over how to insert and embed audio and video into your PowerPoint presentation. These two forms of media play a huge part in supporting the content you place in your slideshow and ultimately in creating an effective presentation. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we'll first go over how you can insert video files and embed YouTube videos into the slideshow. So to insert a video that you've saved on your computer, you want to go over to Insert, and at the very right hand side of this menu, you'll see that you have two options, video and audio. You of course want to click on audio, and then you want to click on movie from file. Once you do this, you could go locate the video file you want to use in your presentation, and in this case I'll use this one called test, and just click insert. And so once you do this, you'll see this video, a preview of this video show up right here, and you could kind of play around with it in whatever way you want. But you know what? I want to see how it looks in the slideshow, so I'll quickly preview it as a presentation. And as I view it in my presentation, I see there's a bar right here to play it, so I'll play it. And okay, it's not looking too bad, but one thing I noticed is that it doesn't play in full screen, and I want it to consume the entire screen. So in order to do this, what you want to do is want to click on this video again. As you see, when I don't click on the video, I lose options in the upper menu. So click on the video, and once you do that, two options appear. Two new tab options appear: video format and playback. What I want to do is click on playback. And once I do this, I notice that there's this option right here. It says play full screen. I want to click on that and make sure it's checked off. And so now next time when I play the video in the presentation, as I do now, oh, there it is. Okay, so actually let me play it from the beginning. Just one moment. I'll play it from the very first slide actually and kind of run through it to see if it works properly. Okay, yeah, so once you click on it, it'll begin to play full screen, so you have the black lines appear right there. That's how I like to see it. So that's the first way to insert a video into your presentation, and that is from your files. Now, in order to insert, oh yeah, one more thing before I move on. When you click on insert, when you create a new PowerPoint slide, you'll notice these 6 options appear as default in your slide. And so a quick way to insert a video is click on the bottom right icon right here. It says insert video movie from file. The same sort of options appear here. It's much more quicker than clicking on insert whatever. Alright, now let's look into inserting a video from YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the Insert tab, and from here you want to go on this option called Store. So we want to look at the Office Store menu, or catalog, or whatever you want to call it. And so from here, what you want to do is, in the search bar here, type in web video player and enter. And once you do this, you see this option right here, and you want to click add. And so, as you can see here, an option appears on the slide with the web video player here. And so what we want to do is find the YouTube video we want to insert and copy and paste the URL right in the search bar here. And so, just to show an example, I'll get a YouTube video like so, and insert it in here. And so I found it, and I want to click set video. And as you can see, the YouTube video becomes embedded in the PowerPoint slide, and you'll be able to view it here. And just one small thing to keep in mind: you'll need to have a Wi-Fi connection in place in order to view this presentation. So if you use a YouTube presentation in the middle, say for a class project, make sure you have Wi-Fi already in place, otherwise the video is not going to work. Anyways, so just to show you another example of insert using that add-on. I'll make a new slide, and so we don't have to go to the Office store anymore to insert that add-on. Simply click on My Add-ins right here, and right there you see you have Web Video Player downloaded already, and you could follow the same process as before. And that's what it takes to insert a YouTube video into your presentation. And so let's move on to the final media option, which is audio. So audio follows the same idea as inserting a video. So you want to go to the Insert tab on top, and to the very right it says audio. And so as you can see, it gives you an option to record your audio from file. So we'll go to audio from file. And so just like with the video, you want to find the audio you want to play within your files, click on that and then tap insert, and it'll ultimately be inserted into your PowerPoint. In this case, let's try recording audio. So as you can see, this menu pops up, and we could name it whatever we want. So let's name it Sound 1. And so you want to click on the record tab and icon, and then it'll start recording. And once you're satisfied with what you have recorded, simply click on stop. You can play it over if you're satisfied with it. You can click insert, and once you do that, you'll see the sound icon appears, and you can enlarge it in whatever way you like, move it around the screen, and so on and so forth. But you know what, let's see how it looks in the full screen presentation mode. So we'll click on that, and as you can see, once you hover over this sound icon, that's when you can play it. And yeah, not much more to it. So we covered inserting video from your files, inserting it from your video, a YouTube video, and inserting an audio, which is similar to inserting a video straight from your files. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you had any troubles or want me to elaborate on any of the content I covered in today's video, please leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.